fellow crocheters, it's Janet with crochetpatternsforbeginners.com. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Why have I gotten a lot of requests for more information on our crochet bow for blanket? I'm going to talk a little bit about it, give you some details of it. I am going to post a link to this below, but I can tell you right now that it is amazing. I have to show you it. It's 50 by 60, so it's really big. And it just has crochet terms all over one side of it. It's an all-over design. It's big, like I said, so I'm hoping that you can see the whole thing here. And then on the other side, it's just white. So it's very modern, but it's the one blanket that you won't have to crochet. It's just great as a throw. It's just a really neat conversation piece. Let's talk about the details. Okay, I'm going to post the link again below, but you can see that it is very generously sized. It's 50 by 60. So it's a big size blanket. And it's just really soft. I cannot tell you how soft it is. It's not a heavyweight blanket, but it will definitely keep you warm because it's this faux fur. I don't know how else to describe it. It's just absolutely, I just love this blanket. It's just so comfortable. And again, the printing is just on one side. It is totally machine washable. So if you want something that's just to put in your studio, like I have mine here in the back, I usually hang it on the door. I just throw it on me when I just need a little warmth, or if I'm sitting by the fire, something like that. But I'm telling you, if you wanted to get a gift for someone that crochets, this is it. All right, guys, I hope I helped with it. Again, the sizing and the details are located in the description of the link below, but I just wanted to showcase it because it is really a unique piece. Okay, guys, thanks so much for stopping by, and happy hooking.